Hi guys, today we are going to be doing something different because we haven't posted in a year. So instead of doing the normal stuff, we thought we would do something different. Something that we think that people would want to watch during quarantine. We decided we will make some slime. We already made that, and if you want to make slime that stretches and it's really good, it's still stretching, and it's really good just to play with as a stress ball or whatever you actually want to do it. You can just play with it if you want to. Oh, we can do that. So today we're going to be doing step by step making slime. Bye, BMK kids! I really hope you enjoyed making awesome stretchy slime with us. So go check out our other videos if you want to be part of the BMK family. Bye guys!
Bye.